last vlog looking at voting in Senedd elections here in Wales. Don't worry if only now you've tuned in. We do have another 3 vlogs which are available on Hub if you click the link on the screen. These vlogs go through the history of the Senedd, powers of the Senedd and members of the Senedd as well. So, like all our other vlogs, this vlog will include a set of discussion tasks, some interactive videos and some other tasks as well to get us thinking a little bit more. These vlogs are a set of wider resources that are available on Hub, like I've said. So if you click the link on the screen, if you're a teacher, if you're a youth worker, you can use these with groups of young people or with your class as well. So, as you will know by either watching the news or watching these vlogs, that as of May this year, 2020, 16 and 17-year-olds are now eligible to vote here in Wales. So it's a really exciting time for young people here in Wales. While voting, 16 and 17-year-olds will also vote for who will represent them, as we do in Senedd elections. This vlog will tell you how that process works, so you'll know what to do when the time comes for you to cast your vote. So let's rewind a little bit. Let's go back to my last vlog that looks at Senedd members, and I left you with something to think about before starting this vlog as well. So, why is voting at Senedd elections so important? And I asked you to consider what powers does the Senedd have that affect your day-to-day life. It is the first time ever for 16 and 17-year-olds to be able to vote here in Wales, and also the Welsh Government spends roughly around £17 billion a year on issues that affect you. Considering all these things, what I would like you to do is start some discussions and leave your comment below. What I'm going to do now is, very shortly, there will be a video, animated video, showing you a little bit more about voting in the Senedd. So, let's just get that up.
Back when voting began in the UK, only very wealthy men were allowed to vote. Over the years, more and more people demanded and won the right to vote. If you're 16 or over on election day and live in Wales, you can vote to choose members for a 5-year term to make decisions on issues that affect your day-to-day life. But how will you know who to vote for? The majority of candidates will be members of political parties. Before an election, these parties publish what's known as a manifesto, outlining what they hope to do if they get in power. These are published in the weeks leading up to the election and can be found on the party's websites and shared on social media. You might also get an idea on how different parties and candidates feel about different issues on TV debates and political party broadcasts. Is voting simple? Yes. You can register online and it only takes 5 minutes. Once you're registered, you'll receive information through the post before election day about where your polling station is in your area, and you'll have between 7 AM and 10 PM on election day to cast your vote. You don't need to bring anything with you, just yourself. There are 2 other ways of voting which may suit some of you better. First, you can apply to send your vote in by post. Second, if you can't vote in person, you can ask someone to vote on your behalf. So what are you waiting for?
I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I did and learned a little bit more about voting here in Wales. So, as we do in all our other vlogs, let's get into a little bit of a task, get our brains thinking. So, our task for today is click on the link, follow the link on the screen to view some candidate profiles of 4 imaginary candidates. 3 that are representing parties and 1 standing as an independent candidate as well, so they don't belong to a specific party. What I'd really like you to do is have a little read over the candidate profiles and consider whether or not you'd vote for them to represent you. And which of the parties would you vote for to represent your region? So who would you vote for to represent you in your constituency where you live, and who would you vote for to represent your region? It is quite possible that you may like one candidate in particular, but prefer another party's policy for the regional seat. Or you may wish to vote for the same candidate and party for both votes, and that is totally okay. There are also links for 2 ballot papers for you to have an idea on what you see when you go to the polling station. You're probably thinking what happens next after an election. So let me tell you exactly what happens. The party with the most seats will usually form the Welsh Government. Parties can also decide to form a government together. This is known as a coalition. The members choose a presiding officer, also known as the Llywydd, who chairs meetings in the Senedd. They will also choose a First Minister of Wales, also known as an FM, who will lead the Welsh Government. The First Minister, the FM, will decide, with the approval of the Queen, which members of the Senedd should join the Welsh Government as Welsh Ministers. So that's the end of our last vlog. I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who's tuned in, who's taken part as well. If you've really enjoyed these videos, these vlogs as much as I have, make sure that you share them around as well with your friends and with your schools or with your youth clubs too. So if you've watched all the vlogs, why not put your knowledge to the test and click the link on the screen, which will redirect you to a Kahoot quiz which will test you on 4 of the vlogs. So about Senedd members, about powers of the Senedd, about history of the Senedd, and also about voting in Senedd elections.